Namaste. Welcome to a journey through a land of spectacular flowing waters. Nepal is a paradise defined by its thousands of breathtaking waterfalls, where water takes center stage in the most dramatic ways imaginable. From the highest cliffs to the deepest gorges, the entire country is alive with the sound of rushing cascades. This is the story of those magnificent white torrents that shape the very heart of this landscape. The story of these waterfalls begins high, above the clouds. Giant peaks of ice and snow melt under the warm sun, creating crystal-clear streams that rush down steep mountain slopes. As these streams reach the edge of massive cliffs, they take a giant leap into the air. They transform into towering waterfalls that look like giant white ribbons hanging against dark, ancient rocks. At these high altitudes, strong winds catch the falling water, turning it into massive, dancing clouds of mist before it even touches the ground. The sound is a deep, endless roar that echoes through the giant canyons. As we move lower into the green hills, the character of the waterfalls completely changes. Here, the water crashes through thick, lush forests and deep jungles. Over thousands of years, these powerful torrents have carved smooth, twisting paths straight through solid stone. Some of these waterfalls drop in a single, thunderous column that violently shakes the earth around it. Others split into dozens of smaller, delicate streams that weave gently through green moss, wild ferns, and gray rocks like liquid silver. In the hidden corners of this landscape, the waterfalls perform unbelievable wonders. Instead of flowing out into open rivers, some roaring currents dive straight into dark, underground tunnels. They disappear completely into the earth, creating mysterious echoes that you can feel beneath your feet. In other places, the heavy mist rising from the bottom of the falls creates endless, bright rainbows that hang perfectly in the air. Framed by wildflowers and green hillsides, every single waterfall, whether it is a thunderous giant dropping from a cliff or a gentle stream hidden deep in a quiet forest, tells a story of pure nature. They are the true heartbeat of this land, flowing untamed from the highest points down to the valleys below. The sight of this endless white water crashing against the rocks is the most beautiful and powerful story this land has to tell.